Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable print screen button to open screen sniping on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable print screen button to open screen snipping in Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane, click on Accessibility. Scroll down. Click on Keyboard. Scroll down again. Here you will find use the print screen key to open screen capture. It's enabled. Just click here to disable it. The print screen key is disabled. Close settings. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your print screen button is disabled to open screen capture in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.